February. I don't even remember what happened in February. Hi honeys, it's your Queen Bee. So to start off, my month review, by the way, I got a new job at the start of the month. I only work Monday and Tuesday over there. It's not a nursing home. It's like, you know, whatever. Just extra money. By the way, I missed a week and a day, like basically 3 videos, because I have been working so hard. And then this week I actually went to class. So I'm proud of myself because I haven't been going to class this month because, oh my God, I just need to work to pay for bills. So there's that. Valentine's Day, I did some stuff with my fiance. We went out to eat, then we went shopping. There really isn't a lot of stores in our area, and we kind of went out of town somewhere, and still not a lot of stuff, which is fine. But yeah, I've been doing a lot of my goals, my New Year resolutions, and I'm about to show you guys some stuff that I'm really proud I did. But yeah, I've been trying to just eat better, stay healthier, and not buy a lot of stuff, and then also use up a whole lot of stuff, which is what I'm going to show you guys later. That has basically been my New Year's resolution. I think from now on I'm going to do like month resolutions. So like, I don't know what I'm going to do for next month yet. I'm going to like write it down and I'll show you guys at the end of the month probably. I don't know. Still trying to figure it out. But yes, I am just trying to basically better myself and like kind of get my life back on track. Obviously I've been working so much, so I haven't been going to school. So I'm trying to find balance between school and work. Still trying to work on that. Hopefully next month I will not miss a day of school, but I know it's going to happen. But yeah. So anyways, yeah, I know I'm keeping this video pretty short because I want to get it up and made. It probably won't come out till Friday, so yeah, I've missed 3 videos for you guys, like I said, working and everything else. I'm going to start doing 2 videos, just like I kind of did at the beginning of the month, just because I want to find a lot of balance in my life. I feel like I can do everything if I have a set schedule, really following a schedule. I'm just kind of trying to take every day as is, which is fine. But I think for myself, I need to lay out like when I have time to do little things like obviously my videos and just stuff like that. As you can tell, I haven't been wearing makeup because again, like kind of a time waster for me. I love doing my makeup, but honestly, if I have to go to school, I just suck it up and I just go to school. I don't feel like I need it for school, and then obviously work, I don't need it. And like I said, I work full time. So I'm trying to kind of get more into a routine. And I mean, that's basically it. But now to the fun things. So I made like a New Year's resolution that I was not going to buy a whole lot of stuff for myself this year. That I was going to like be less wasteful and like use up all the things I have. That way I'm not wasting money on like perfumes, lotions, when I really don't even use half that stuff. I get them for gifts and then like I forget about them, or I just don't use them because that's not in my routine. But now that I have made like, you know, taking care of myself part of my routine, because I have been so depressed, as you guys know, since basically I started college. I'm dropping out after May, like honestly, fuck that. Like, no, thank you. College is not for everyone. I do not recommend it. Like, it's the worst thing I've ever done. I really just do not like the college I'm at. And I'm not going to say names because I just feel like it's unnecessary. I don't want to give them anything. Yeah, but like, anyways, on to fun things. I got rid of 26 things this month. Which is amazing because I don't really use a whole lot of stuff. Like, I don't use everything up. I always just kind of set it back. I have a kind of like a hoarding problem, but I just don't like letting things go. And I feel like, especially this year, I really need to focus on that. So yeah, I'm going to just like do a quick little 1 to 5 rating. And then if I would buy it again, yes or no. And that's going to be pretty much it. I have gotten rid of 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner, 2 bath salts, 2 candles, 1 shower balm container thing, 4 soaps, 3 lotions, 1 perfume, 2 scrubs, 1 face mask, 1 hair mask, 1 hairspray, 1 nail thing, 3 face stuff. I just put face stuff, I don't know why. 2 bath things, and then 1 makeup thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys those items. I literally just did use this today and like, you know, got it empty. I've had this for a while. This is a body scrub. It is from Obey Your Body. I got this on base from AIT. Oh my god, like the whole set cost like $300. I already used like the lotion, I think. I don't know if it's in here or not, but yeah. Was it a waste of money? Probably, but at least I got my money's worth. So would I buy again? Actually, yes. It's a 5 out of 5. It's so good. I know it's probably like an MLM, but like, I actually really did like this. Next up here is one of the candles. This one kind of caught on fire from the inside. I don't know what that was about. I don't know. It's coconut cream pie. It's one of the newer ones. I gave it a 3 out of 5. I don't think I would buy this again just because it kind of smelled kind of weird. I don't know. The second candle that I got, you know, got rid of kind of, hot cocoa and cream. Oh my god. I love this one. It's 5 out of 5. Yes, I would buy it again. Amazing. So this I've had for a while. This is a soap that my mom gave me when I moved out. But yeah, I didn't really use this as a soap because I didn't really, it didn't really smell that much, but it fizzes up really good. So I used it as like a bubble bath. So would I buy it again? No, but I gave it a 2 out of 5. So next up, I got a couple different soaps. This one is Forever Red from Bath and Body Works. I got this as a gift, I think. Would I buy it again? No, I gave it a 3 out of 5. Or actually, no, this is a lotion. This one's a soap. It is the Japanese Cherry Blossom. I do love this scent. I gave it a 4 out of 5 because I'm not really a fan of the gel soaps. But would I buy it again? Yes. To go along with Bath & Body, I got this there. I absolutely do love this so much. This is the Stress Relief Bath Salts. I gave this a 5 out of 5, and I will be buying this again to go along with bath salts. I got this as a gift. It was a really shitty gift. Just gonna make that pretty much plain and simple. Yeah. So bath salts from the dollar store. Would I buy again? No. I gave it a 2 out of 5 because at least it smelled like roses, but like the girl knew what she was doing when she got me this. Next up, this is shower bombs. So I love the ones, I can't remember what they're called, but they're in like a golden little thing. They're like half moon shaped. You can get them at Walmart. Got this at Big Lots. Would I buy again? No. I gave this a 1 out of 5 because didn't have really any smell to it. They didn't even really fizz that much. They kind of just stuck in the drain and it was like a mess. So shampoos and conditioners. I use both of these, shampoo and conditioner. I do love Marc Anthony, but for my hair, because my hair is not curly and it's not actually really permed anymore, these just made it kind of soft but didn't really do much else. So would I be buying these ones? Probably no, just because I want something that's gonna make my hair a little bit not so frizzy and not so kinky curly looking, because I think I'm kind of done with experimenting with that stuff. I don't know. So I gave this a 3 out of 5. Would I be buying both of these again? No. So then this nail polish remover I got from the dollar store. I mean, would I buy it again? Yes, it's a nail polish remover. I gave it a 5 out of 5. Did its job, did it pretty well. And then I'm really proud of myself because like I said, I don't really use lotions. I've had this for a while. You guys seen me review it last year, but I absolutely love this. Would I buy again? Yes, 5 out of 5. Absolutely love this so much. I'm not really doing a good job of showing you guys, sorry. And then I got this Ariana Grande thing, lotion. Would I buy it again? Yes, but I gave it a 4 out of 5 just because it wasn't as nice as this one, obviously. And then again, this was from the dollar store. It was a Christmas gift, whatever. Came with the bath salts. Would I buy it again? No, I gave this actually gave this a 0 out of 5. Terrible. I use this as like a bubble bath because, yeah, wanting to get it done and out of the way with. And then I used up this hair mask. I actually got this at the dollar store, but I don't really like the smell. I don't really feel like it really did much justice to my hair. I love Gardener though, but it's just it's kind of hit and miss for everything. I mean, it's not all gonna be perfect. So I gave this a 3 out of 5 and I will not be purchasing this again. This is thickening spray. I gave this a 2 out of 5. I will not be purchasing this again because it kind of made my hair feel greasy and just no. I bought this from Rue 21 because I thought it was cute and fun. But you can get this at Walmart. This is for kids. Would I buy this again? No. 1 out of 5. I got this from Bath & Body Works a while ago. I gave this a 4 out of 5. It's really good, but will I buy it again? No, because it's a hand scrub. And I have scrubs, I have body scrubs, and when you put them on your body, you use your hands. You don't need a very specific one. So another bath thing, this is a like thing for the bath that's like oil. Would I buy this again? Yes, I gave it a 4 out of 5. I just think it's so relaxing and cool. It had like rose petals in it. Same thing from another company, or same company. This is a like shower mist. I gave it a 5 out of 5. Yes, I will be buying this again because I just think it's so cool. Just like refreshing. And then I got this 4th ray like serum thing. I used all of it. I've had this for a hot minute, but I absolutely love this. I gave it a 5 out of 5. I will be getting this again. And then I got this perfume. I've had it for a while, the Butter Paradise. Gave it a 5 out of 5. Now this, I gave it a 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this. I don't know if you can buy it anywhere else though, like especially I got it at Walmart. I don't know if they have it online, but this is the Fix It serum. I love and adore this. Like I said, we'll be trying to look for this again. This is a face mask. I gave it a 3 out of 5. Will I be buying it again? No, I just did not like the smell at all. It just really didn't feel like it did much for my skin. This is a jelly glow mask thing, face peel. I gave it a 4 out of 5. I will be getting this again. I actually did like it. And then this is a face wash. Will I be buying it again? Yes, I gave it a 4 out of 5. So yeah, I'm going to be trying to do a little bit more in-depth things like this, but I just wanted to show you guys what my progress was this month because I am so proud of myself. And that's pretty much all I wanted to say. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like, make sure to comment what you've done this month. Happy Valentine's, or happy belated Valentine's anyways. That was the big holiday of the month. And I think with all that being said, make sure to check the description below, follow all my stuff if you want to. And I mean, that's pretty much all I wanted to say. So with all that being said, thanks for stopping by. Love you.